Welcome back. Now it's time to start a discussion about modules. And a module is a file containing Python code. It can contain functions, classes, variables, and we use modular programming, which means to separate our program into parts. And I'm going to type here, I'm going to create a new module, go to new Python file, I'm going to call it utils. And I'll create a function here, def greet, which is gonna say print nice to see you again. I'm gonna go on main, I'm gonna type import utils, and I'll go down here, I'll type utils dot greet. Now if I run this, we get nice to see you again. So we're using the function from the utils module. Now we can shorten this by giving this an alias using the as keyword. So I'm going to do add, I'm going to use as, and I will put here, let's say util or ut, and I can use ut here, which is shorter, ut, and everything works fine. Now another way to import a module is type from utils import, and I can import here greet, and I'll go down here, I'll type greet, and now I can use that directly without using the name. So we get nice to see you again, everything works fine. Now another way is to import all, and use an asterisk to import all, but this is not recommended because because it will import all, there can be functions and variables which have the same name, and you have conflicting problems with the names. Alright, this is our discussion about modules, and I'll see you in the next video.